Hi my honeys, Erica here. Welcome to my YouTube channel, or welcome back. Today we're doing something kind of pointless, but to me it isn't. I've invited my best friend Cody. Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
When she says invited, she means dragged, but
yes.
It's fine.
I dragged him into doing this ice cream challenge with me today. I have 4 different low-carb, healthy ice creams, and they're all like a chocolate peanut butter vibe, and we're gonna test them out and rank them and rate them and see which we like best so that you can be informed on all of your low-carb peanut butter chocolate ice cream options. So if you wanna see us test these ice creams, keep watching this video. Sidebar, this is not a sponsored video, but if you own a keto ice cream company and you'd like to sponsor me and try your ice creams, I'd be happy to do so. All right, you ready to test some ice creams?
Yeah, I mean, we're both on diets, and so what do we have to lose? But
so I haven't seen you in like a month because we've been, here, we'll take all these lids off. We have been social distancing, obviously, and also you've been very busy, and my health, I've canceled on you like 4 times now. I apologize.
How generous is she saying that I'm so busy? She likes to be busy like I'm important.
You're booked and busy, babe.
Oh yeah, booked and blessed.
So yeah, he came over to visit me and I was like, oh yeah, you're just gonna film a YouTube video with me. Because I have been at the grocery store and I found low-carb ice creams. I've been on my low-carb diet for like a month now, and I wanna see what will be my best like sweet treat when I'm craving something delicious. And I haven't had ice cream in so long because I haven't found anything that was low carb, so.
Well, treat yourself.
Yeah, so I just realized after we opened these lids that 3 of them are peanut butter based with like chocolate inside, and then there's one that's chocolate ice cream and looks to be a peanut butter like swirl inside. I have a feeling I'm gonna like that one the best.
Okay.
But we're gonna try each one by one and then we'll rank them.
How are we ranking them though? 1
You'll write a number 1 through 10, 1 being the least desirable for you and 10 being the most. And then we will reveal them to the audience and then also ourselves.
Wait, so are we gonna put these like right next to the...
No, you'll just write it down after each one and then we'll hold it up.
Okay.
How is that rule difficult for you?
It's not, I just said okay. I literally said okay. What part of that is difficult?
Oh man, you guys actually don't know our friendship, but we just basically roast each other every time we see each other.
It's very exhausting. You know, we haven't seen each other in a month and I'm already like, okay, I'm good for another month. You know, how long is this video? Let's get to taste it.
You were very happy to social distance from our friendship for a while.
Absolutely.
All right, so we're gonna start with Halo Tops peanut butter chocolate ice cream. It is 8 net carbs per pint. 210 calories per serving, and there's 3 servings per container. Oh, I gotta cough. I don't have COVID. Coronavirus!
I don't know, man.
I mean, I might have it. I don't know. Okay. So I'm gonna try to dig my spoon in here. You know what really stinks is usually the top, you don't get any of the good like
I was gonna say, I probably just had garlic. It's probably me.
No, I'm just saying like you don't get like the good fudge or anything at the top. So get yourself like a good spoonful.
This just screams brain freeze.
I know. Watch us get brain freeze for 10 minutes straight. That's the title of this video.
Princess Diaries.
Okay, ready? 1, 2, 3. Don't tell each other. We'll make our notes after.
Oh, I definitely got brain freeze. Oh, I definitely got brain freeze.
What, Ian?
I got you a napkin to put that on.
Oh, thank you for the napkin. Okay. Put your reading down. Are you trying not to make faces as you do this, or you got brain freeze?
I have brain freeze.
Why did you take such a big scoop? We're tasting.
You told me to get a big scoop.
Yeah,
I'm following your lead. This is your YouTube pic. You know what?
He's already regretting filming with me in 2 seconds.
Okay, we're ranking these.
Yeah.
Why do I feel like I have to be like, oh my god.
You don't have to hide them.
I feel like I'm like,
I'm not looking. I want to be surprised. So we're going to reveal them to the audience first, and then we'll look at each other's.
I'm more embarrassed of my handwriting than anything.
Okay, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Reveal to the camera.
What?
What did you put? Oh, I put it too. I thought it was nasty.
You thought it was nasty? It was a 6.
It had like like a chalky something, and I only gave it a 2 because like if I was desperate for something sweet, I would eat that.
God, I would hate to be a guy that lusts after your affection. If you think that's a 2, jeez, the guys in the bars have no chance.
I don't know. I feel like it was just like too chalky for my taste, so hard pass on that one.
All right.
Okay, so sorry, Halo Top. I love you, but just not that flavor. Yeah, wipe your spoon, and we're gonna go from opposite ends of the ice cream. Actually, we should have a clean spoon every time, should we not?
It's too late. It's too late. We're breathing the same air. Like it's.
Of course, we don't have any spoons clean. We are so unprepared for this situation. All right, well,
I'm not the only one.
We're just gonna go on opposite sides of the ice cream, and I'm gonna go on the peanut butter side.
You do that.
Okay, this is the. No, we don't need that.
The golden serving spoon?
Honey, we don't need that. Okay. Chocolate peanut butter, 1 gram of net carbs. This is the Enlightened Keto collection. I love that ice cream has a collection, like it's a fashion line or something.
It is. Okay, now this is a
take
reasonable.
less of it. Yes.
This is a reasonable scoop.
Okay.
Hush.
Did you get peanut butter in there too, or did you just get?
I don't know. I got a reasonable scoop.
Okay. See, this whole video, I'm just gonna be wheeze laughing at you.
Okay.
Okay. Bon appetit. Okay, ready? You would give it a 7?
Yeah.
How could that be improved upon? It was excellent.
It was really good. It was
That
like
does not taste like diet ice cream at all.
No, it doesn't taste like diet ice cream. It was like a Reese's cup in your mouth, but I don't know. I haven't tasted the other one, so I don't know what to base it
I
off.
don't even know what the hell they put in here, but this one.
Yeah, it was really good.
Chocolate peanut butter. That's a 10. And I almost put a 9 because I wanted to reserve judgment for these other 2, but it was just that good to be a 10.
That's why I ultimately gave it a 7.
That's why you gave it a 7, just in case these are better.
Yeah, I mean, I don't know what to base it off of, but yeah, it's pretty damn good. Not the best thing I've ever tasted, but
Okay.
good.
Fair, okay. I do think that doesn't taste like diet ice cream though. Okay, this next one is also from Enlightened, but this is the peanut butter based one. This is their peanut butter fudge. Also 1 gram of carb for the entire pint. Or for the entire pint or per serving? Per serving.
I'm gonna get a swirl here too. Okay.
You always take a bigger chunk.
Because
Why do I brain freeze?
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
Mm-hmm.
Cheers.
Cheers.
I put a 3.
Really?
Okay, I did not like
It's
first
not
of all,
disgusting.
the ice cream doesn't taste like peanut butter, and it's supposed to be. And secondly, that fudge, did you get fudge in yours?
No, I went to the opposite end where you told me to
Ugh.
jam my spoon down.
It was quite sweet, like too sweet, like fake sweet. You know what I mean? I didn't like that one, which is weird because this is made by the same brand, but I prefer this one.
That one is
So this one's the winner
definitely
so far.
better.
All right, our last ice cream. Wipe your golden spoon. We need like a palate cleanser between each one. We didn't think this far ahead. I just made him film a video while he was over.
So suck on some lemons, I can tell you up a lemon.
No, oh God, that sounds terrible. Okay, and this one, oops, as I drop it. This one is the Rebel, 7 grams of carbs per pint. For the whole thing, it's 7 grams of carbs. And this is the peanut butter fudge flavor. So let me get some, ooh, I want a little fudge in there. Okay, okay. Sorry, I almost bit it before I was saying cheers.
That's
Cheers!
okay. Cheers.
Ready?
Mm-hmm. 6.
A 6?
A 6.
Why, you didn't like it?
It tastes just like the other one. It literally tastes just like that.
No, I didn't think so. What I liked about this one was the crunch.
Yeah. So.
And I could taste more of the peanut butter in that one, and it almost had like a coffee like vibe to it. It was nice and creamy.
Mhm.
Not chalky, but just creamy.
6.
So I like that one.
6.
Okay, well I said 9.
It's a 6.
So I think our big grand winner between all 4 of the ice creams is this one. So since it's our favorite, I'm gonna read off some of the little stats on here so nobody comes for me. 10 grams of total carbs. Dietary fiber is 2 grams. Sugar alcohol is 7 grams. And I believe you do deduct that, right? Don't you deduct that, the sugar alcohol?
Just
From your
dietary
carbs?
fiber,
Oh, just the dietary fiber. Okay.
for the most part.
So this one is 1 gram of net carbs per serving, and they say this is 4 servings. So you literally just scoop off like the entire top, and that would be a serving. But it was very rich, so I feel like that would be adequate for a serving.
Gave
So
me everything I needed.
and more.
Yes.
All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. We have a clear winner chicken
It's
dinner.
dark, it's thick, it's rich, it's creamy. What's not to like about it?
Stop talking about yourself.
Yeah.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel, like the video, and ring the bell. And I'll see you guys on the next video.